Hello students, this is Mr. Carpenter. I wanted you guys to have a quick review over angle addition before your test tomorrow. Now, what you see up here on the whiteboard is that you have angle ABC, that right there, and angle CBD. Now, this whole angle is angle ABD. What I'm looking to do is that I want to know what each of these angles are right here if I'm given an unknown. Now, I am saying that this whole angle, ABD, from there to there, is equal to 116 degrees. I have 13x plus 20 here, and I have 10x plus 27 here. So I have both of those. Now, if I am doing angle addition, trying to find out what each of these are, I'm going to add this part, 13x plus 20. So let's write this down, 13x plus 20. That's one angle. If we're doing line segments, it's the same mentality. I'm taking one part, adding, and the part that I'm adding is this part right here, 10x plus 27, is equal to, let's go back to our original color of 116. Now, I have some like terms here. I have 10x and 13x. So I'm going to combine those to make 23x. Then I also have 20 and 27. So now I have plus 47 is equal to 116. Now, if I'm going to solve for this, then I've got to be able to do the algebra of both sides. And so again, big goal of algebra, solve for the variable. Little goal to get there, letters on one side, numbers on the other. So now I take minus 47, that's going to go away. I'm going to subtract this. This gives me 69, and I have 23x. Divide both sides by 23, and I have x is equal to 30. Now, you have found the value of x, but you have not found the value of each individual angle. So if I want to know the value of this angle here, I have got to plug the 3 in for the x. So when I take this 3 right here, found out what that equals, I'm going to plug it in for the x right there. So now I have 13 times 3 plus 20. Now 13 times 3 is 39, plus 20 is 59. So this angle right here is 59 degrees. When I plug in a 3 for the x right here, 10 times 3 plus 27, I get a total of 57. So this angle right here is 57 degrees. Now, these two almost bisect each other, but they don't. Okay, we're going to deal with that on the next problem. So I have found A, B, C is equal to 59. I found that C, B, D is equal to 57. Now, what if we're given a problem to where we have an angle, and let's just say that that angle is like this. Now again, it may not be drawn to scale, but I'm trying to make it big enough for you to see. Okay, we have again point A, B, and C. Right? And then we have point D somewhere out here that bisects it. Okay, splits it in half. Now, when I know that it's bisected, I'm just going to be given two angles. And in this case, let's say that I have 6x minus 12, and I have 4x plus 8. And I'm saying that this line right here, BD, okay, will be written like this, BD, bisects angle ABC. Now, when it bisects, it splits it in half, makes two equal halves. So I could actually set these equal to each other like this. So I have 6x minus 12 equals 4x plus 8. Now, again, big goal in algebra, solve for the unknown. Solve for that variable. Little goal to get there, letters on one side, numbers on the other. So I'm going to get rid of my smallest number. Do that here. So now I have 6x is equal to 4x plus 20. Then I'm going to move this x next to the constant to the other side. So now I have 2x is equal to 20, or divide by 2, x is equal to 10. Now again, I'm not done. I have to plug in this 10 for this x right here, this x right there, and that x right there. Now, if you do it correctly, and when we're dealing with bisection, and this deals with either line bisection or dealing with angle bisection, I'm going to plug this in. So now I have 6 times 10 minus 12 is equal to 48. Then I have 4 times 10 plus 8. Aha! 48 degrees. These match. Now, if I were to combine both of these, of course, I would just take the 48 plus the 48, and all of this angle A, B, C is equal to 96 degrees. So, good luck on your test tomorrow. I hope that this video is beneficial for you. Hope it gives you a good review. Hope it gives you a better understanding. Practice this. Work on this. Good luck on your test tomorrow, and I will see you then.